Hello guys, what's going on? Today we are going to review and unbox a car 98, pubg car 98. What a wonderful gun. Let's unbox it. See, let's first talk about the box. Box is very nice and it is written car 98 in English and it is in Japanese, and price is around 1800 rupees, and instructions are there down. Instructions how to load a bullet, and this everything in Japanese, and logo of pubg logos, car 98 and scar L, and everything is there. So now let's unbox it and review it. Let's unbox it. It's the box. It's the main car 98. Let's open it. The box. Let's talk about the bullets and accessories we get inside the box. So first we get these bullets and simple plastic bullets. They are. It's a real elastic bullet. It's very cool. Every bullet. So first we get a bullet. Then there is a air bullet. We get like this. It's like this. Some air bullets we get. Some plastic balls we get like a bullet. Plastic balls. And we get a knife, very cool. It will go here in the car 98. Okay. And we get a pubg pen, very cool pen. It's nice quality pubg pen. Then we get a scope with this, but it's not a real scope. It's like a scope. From here we have to load the bullets. You can see like this there. And here's our main car 98. So that's the car 98. So how to reload it? So first we will see how to reload it. So we have to pull this small thing like this, and shoot it. Reload it and shoot it. So we will now add the accessories to it. So there's the scope like this, and there's a knife here like this. So like this it looks very nice. So first let's reload these bullets. Some bullets we will reload from top of the scope. We'll shoot it here. It's very nice. Okay, bullets are over. No one is there. It's very nice. And let's see these bullets. We will shoot 2 of them. We have to reload it from here. First pull the trigger like this and open this chamber. Then to put little in front, close the chamber. Then simply just pull the trigger like that. And then you have to pull it like this. like this, close it, and like this. So now we will see some of these bullets, like air bullets only. You have to first reload this and then put it here like this, close it, and just shoot it. So while reloading it looks like this. Put it and shoot it. So that's the gun. We get many bullets in this. We get almost 3 types of bullets. One this, and one this. And we get accessories 2 types of. One a scope and a knife. And one we get a pen. It's very cool. I like it. It's very good. So it's a very good gun. Nice gun. Thanks for watching. Bye.